Graham Magaten is my name, and I'm the director and founder of GJ Air Ride Pty Limited, and also our trademark is Air Pro Cushion here in Australia. We have a registered patent in Australia and some of the large equine countries around the world. 3 years ago, I got up about 3:30 in the morning, and I had this thought in my heart about building air cushions for horse floats, trucks and airlines. I got up and discussed the situation of the developing this with my wife, and then we set forth and started doing drawings and establishing the whole process. Basically, it contains the horse and it cushions the whole horse, not only from the head but the chest and right across the sides of the horse, and it contains and keeps the horse vertical in transit. That's the key of the patent process of this development of this airbag cushion system. It keeps the horse very vertical, so it stops the horse from rocking and rolling and scrambling in the float itself. And I looked at a number of different components of how I could develop the safety factor for not only the horse but also for the owner in delivering the horse into the horse float at the first point of taking the horse in. When loading your horse in, it's quite a dangerous time in that process. So the Air Pro Cushion design is, if the horse decides to go from side to side and you swing back, your back is protected and your front is protected by the cushion itself. When we look at taking the horse back off, it gives a lot of safety for the trainer, because the two cushions will protect the trainer as the horse is being loaded back off. Also, if the horse decides to rear up or run backwards, the person that's leading the horse is very well protected. Our airbag cushion system comprises of a compressor, regulator that's preset at the factory. For our warranty, we lock them down and mark them. Thirdly, we have our stop valve here. All the pressure is on that. If you want to let the bag system down, all you do when you're unloading the horse is just turn the valve on and the air comes out. The system of our bag system is very unique in itself. It's a two-bladder. We have the inner bag system that houses all the plumbing, and the outer bag protects the system itself. That's what makes it so strong and so safe. The testing that we've done the last 2 years with horses in the horse float itself, we've seen a tremendous difference by keeping the horse compact to some degree, not in a sandwich process, but just softly containing the horse. It's eliminating at least 85% of the scrambling process in cornering. So that takes away the damage to their fetlocks and legs and shin area, where a lot of damage is caused in the transit process from going from A to B in cornering. In the developing process of Air Pro Cushion was the difficulty in getting manufacturers to understand and to get, you couldn't just get it off the shelf because it's never been done before. So we've invented something that's never been done before, and also to try and keep the secrecy of our patent process was quite difficult. The government and the ATS have been right behind us there. They've given us banners, flyers, and I'm just so thankful for their exposure of Air Pro Cushion. Where we go from here, we don't want to jump out too fast. So we're developing in Australia, New Zealand, in South Africa, and then we'll look at, once we get this market going here, we'll look at Mexico, USA, Canada, Hong Kong is a big market, and then right across Europe.